Hey yo YouTubers, so today we are going outside. My brother's playing Fortnite. Say stop playing Fortnite, Aiden. He has no shirt on. Get a shirt on.
Wait, I need to check my challenges. Oh my gosh, I didn't even complete.
Oh gosh, so hard to open these doors. There we have our trampoline. Oh no, it's gonna be so dark. My light. Oh, blinded. Yeah, so I'm gonna bounce on the trampoline. I'm gonna do a few tricks. Oh, this is crazy. Okay, yeah, let's put this here. I used to be able to do a backflip, so yeah, hold on. Let me put this somewhere else. There we go. It's better, guys. Sorry if I'm blocking the camera view. Oh my gosh! Rex! You know what? I'm just going to be holding this. Ooh. And if you guys haven't seen what it's like to do a flip and you're too scared, no offense, no offense. Okay, here it is. Technically. Just go upside down. What the heck? So, that's doing flips. And it's really fun. And so what's that? So dancing. It's gonna be high right now. Listen. Okay. So there's something really bad happening. You know the bird, Aiden? They're taking. Somebody's buying the place. We need to go tell them. And they I was doing this, peeking to find out what they were doing. And I was like, I don't know you. So, guys, look. I don't know what's happening. Did you guys see those people? What the heck? What the heck? They're gonna bury the bird. The bird. There was a dead bird that we buried. You guys haven't saw the video. We need to go. Do you think I should tell them? Just for YouTube. Aiden, we should go tell them that there's a dead bird there. Just in case. Hold on. Okay, guys, I'm going to put the camera over there and start. If you guys can see. Hold on. Okay, now's the time. What do you mean?
Oh, shoot.
Go. They're stepping on the food. They're stepping on the food. Okay, in.
Oh, hey, look, the first family.
It is. In. I'm gonna need you to go right here, peek, and look at me. Okay.
Here, I go on the tramp and pretend like I'm doing nothing.
Say that this is that bird, and then I'll go. Hi. We buried a bird over there because it was dead. Yeah, it died, so we had to bury it because there was no other way. There was no place to. Yeah. So. Yeah.
Okay.
I don't even know why I'm putting this on YouTube. That was like a big fan. Okay, give me the phone back.
Let's go up here.
What the heck? I thought they were just going to take it out. And here, I'm going to show them. Let's show them where the bird is.
No, let's show them where the bird died. We just saw the bird's family. That must be sad for them.
Ooh, yeah. Oh, maybe it swooped down.
Yeah, the bird probably went, tweet, tweet, tweet,
Where
tweet.
did you guys find it? Like,
What if it hit the box and it bounced in?
Oh,
4-3.
okay. Let's call them. Oh, that's a show.
Huh. That's odd.
It looks weird that was built.
Let's look for the. I want to see the bird.
They,
Let's show the people. Let's show our YouTubers the birds. The bird. The bird's dead corpse. Yep, I see where the grave is. I don't think you guys can see it from here. See that bucket? No, it's okay. We didn't really touch their face.
yeah, so we're not going to dig it out because I don't want to touch it at all.
No, we can dig it out.
Huh?
We can dig it out. We need to show YouTubers. But yeah, here's the bird. It's in there.
We're standing on the bird.
Wow, they stood on the bird.
Look at, here's the footprint.
I know, there's a footprint.
They killed the bird.
Ready?
They killed the birdie.
They killed the birdie again.
Got me.
Wait, where'd it go?
Dumb.
So, wait, what now?
What are you doing? No, not that way.
Well, I'm just trying to find the freaking bird, Liam.
Where did
Where'd it go? Maybe it was a dream.
I think it was.
Maybe we never did find a bird. Like, wait, what? How far did you dig even?
I'm not sure.
This is scary. Maybe people already found the dead bird. Like,
Or maybe it already went to bird heaven.
yeah, I went to bird heaven, guys. Oh, there it is. You can see its feathers. You're digging in the wrong spot, anyways. Ooh. Oh gosh. Oh. Yeah. Okay, let's bury it.
Yeah, I feel so bad for it. Guys, comment down below. if you
Yeah, look.
feel
So
bad.
those blue birds earlier, those were its mom and dad. Okay, well,
Guys, comment down below.
yeah,
if you
and
feel
just
so bad.
and just like.
And just say a
just
prayer in
in-
the comments.
No, in memorial of the bird, we will sing a song. Oh, say can you
If you haven't saw it really well, put the camera on now. Oh,
It's dead.
it's so sad.
But in memorial of the bird, if you guys like and subscribe, there's a rumor that if you like and subscribe, the bird will come back to life.
Actually, that's true.
But yeah, if you like and subscribe, the bird will come back to life. So, yeah, bury the bird. It's gross. And it smells bad. It smells bad. Well, yeah. That's where we buried the bird. Oh, gosh. What? time, speaking of dead birds, one time we found a dead bird at our old house, and like, it was like, we tried to put water on it. It was still alive, but then we ended up drowning it on accident. We tried to put water on it so it could like maybe feel better. We were dumb. It died. It died. The next day, we found its bones scattered all around the place. But a theory is that if you guys like and subscribe, you'll get $1 million. So okay. But yeah. Wow, that's sad. This is just sad. I don't even know what to say right now. Well, make sure to like and subscribe, and me and Liam here will see you next time.